All right, so this is it. I don't blame signal providers anymore. That some of them are very profitable, but some morons come on YouTube thinking that it's a very useful content. They come to spoil other signal providers and say, yo, this guy is unprofitable, that guru is this, guy guru is that. Let me tell you something. Signals, people that buy signal service are always unprofitable ever since I've known it. And it's 90% their fault. Now, let's assume someone joins my signal service. In case you want to tap into this, the link is in the description. This trader just joined and then he misses London trade. First mess up. He misses London trade, he comes to New York and he trades and then I lose. So other people in the channel are profitable because our winning trades are always 2R and above. Others are in profits, he is in a loss. The next day, he comes early in the London session and maybe the next professional lose. And he's 2R down while others are break even. Now, minus missing of trades, what happens is this: risk management. Maybe I've been winning like 6 in a row, 5 in a row, win sometimes in a row, and then what happens? They become too excited, become too happy, they want to make money, they want to become millionaires, and then they up their lot size. What happens? And then I lose. The account, every profit they have made at the end of the month vanishes. They move into panic mode because now somebody is supplying them with signals. The trust is shaky. They are scared, and the next signal they refuse to take it, and that signal turns out well. What happens? Your account is going to be in the drawdown forever. So if you have issues with your forex journey, if you have issues with your forex skills, go fix it. Signals will never help you. Signals are people that know how to trade already. Okay, but then maybe they're working on that job, or they just transfer them or something. They don't have that much time. They can tap into signals. To be profitable in signals, you need consistent risk management. You're risking a particular amount of your capital consistently. You're taking everything consistently, and you're closing the same time your signal provider is closing his trade. You're not closing before it gets to take profits. You're not closing before it hits stop loss. You're doing everything right. You're taking every single trade at the same time. Most of these signal providers, if you follow them like that, you will make money at the end of the month. You know why I'm saying this is because I see a lot of videos on YouTube. This guru did that, this guru did that. How did you stay in the signal service 1 week, 3 days, and you conclude you come to put up content, and foolish people will watch it and start assuming that person is a scammer? Come on. Yes, there are scammers in the industry. There are people that don't know how to trade, that sell signals. But the problem are the people buying the signals. If you are not profitable, if your mindset is about forex, is about gambling, you will never make money. All right? So if you want to learn how to trade forex, the link is in the description. Everything you need to join to understand how forex works is on the description. All right? So signal service, we run signal service too. But then that's also on the description. FOD signals. You need to fix your trading, or else signals will not just work for you. This is what it is. Forex, there is no shortcut to profitability. See you. Peace out.